Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by validating prerequisites, the exact dump type and matching symbol path. Set NT symbol path and run. Symfix then. Reload to retrieve symbols. This ensures stack frames resolve correctly. Next, open the dump in Windbg with file right arrow open crash dump or KDZ dump file. Once done, run, analyze V for an initial high-level readout and note the bug check or exception. This gets you actionable context immediately so you can target deeper analysis steps. You now pivot into the middle of the investigation by enumerating threads with tilde and viewing stack traces with ~k or ~kv. Once you identify a suspect thread, switch context using thread and run kb or k to inspect call frames. Use CXR or trap to load exception context when available. Then list loaded modules with LMVM to verify driver versions and addresses. Make sure to correlate module-base addresses to stack frames so you can spot mismatches or out-of-tree drivers causing corruption. You conclude by focusing on root cause and verification. Use DV and DT to inspect locals and structures, DPS to examine pointers, and T or pool to validate memory ownership and corruption. Once you have a hypothesis, reproduce the issue or capture additional dumps and enable ETW or verbose logging to confirm. If symbols or addresses do not resolve, check the symbol store, paths, and module versions. Mismatched symbols are the most common blocker. Troubleshoot by reloading symbols and comparing build timestamps to ensure consistency.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.